In order to manage app permissions on Google Pixel 9a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Then we want to go to Apps, and here we want to choose to see all apps. Now we can choose the app for which we want to manage permissions. So let's say I'm going to choose the Chrome browser, and then over here we have permissions, and we can see what is allowed and what is not allowed. So essentially you can tap on the permission that is, for example, not allowed. So let's say I'm going to choose notifications over here, and we can turn it on. We can do the same thing, for example, with photos and videos. We can allow always to have the option to always have the permission to see photos and videos, or just limited access. And also, for example, in the case of camera or similar permissions, we can choose to use the access only when we are using the app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.